Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in the office section here in the back of the warehouse. But what I want to do is I'm going to be hanging this on the wall. We need a big clock in here. There's no clocks in this whole place, so nobody knows what time it is. But I got this one here, so I'm going to show you guys what this one is here. This one's by PERSUPER, and let's check it out. So here we are. I guess I'll take out all the pieces here. This is going to be the adapter. Here's going to be the remote, and here's going to be the clock, and then empty box. So let's see what we got here. So this is the clock. Look at that. That's what this looks like here. I'll show you guys the instructions real quick in case somebody needs those. They can probably pause it and zoom in. So here's kind of our instructions. If you need it, pause, zoom in, and the back side as well. So there you go. You have that. And then this is what the clock looks like. I'd say it's about a foot wide here. We have the little plastic cover over it, so you get that. If you like that satisfying peel, I guess this is it here. Me, I don't know. Okay, and so this looks like nice and shiny. The back of it here, we have a place to put the coil our wire. It looks like it comes with 2 alkaline batteries, which is nice. So we'll be able to keep our times and any alarms or whatever like that set or anything that we have. If we look at these here, we're able to stand it up on its side. So let me move you guys back a little bit here. And the rest of it we will do on the counter. So here we go. So, I don't know, I'll show you here. We have brightness adjustments. So we have high, auto, low, and medium. So I can just set it to auto for that. Here's our different snooze buttons and our setting buttons to set the different sounds and volumes and timers. So I'm going to put this down right here. Aim you guys down a little bit so you can see it in entirety. We'll open up here. This is the power adapter, and it's going to have its little round barrel connector. And thankfully I have a power strip there. And I guess it's gonna wire in here maybe. Yep, there it is right there. So it would go, so I'll show you guys. It would go in here, and then you could wrap it around this and then come out to your plug. Me, I'm just doing it right here on the counter, so I'm gonna just wrap it right there, keep it super simple for demonstration purposes right now, and we're gonna be hanging on the wall, so I'm gonna need all the wire I can get. So here it is there. There we are. So you're lit up. Let's open up the remote here, and I'll show you guys that as well. Boy, not so easy. Okay, and let's see. We have a couple of batteries in here. I'm going to assume we need to unwrap them somehow because they have plastic all over them. Let me open it up. Okay, so they do come wrapped up. I wonder if the other ones were wrapped up too. I'm gonna have to look at those again. Okay, so these are AAAs, so easily replaceable if you ever need to. And there we go. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We have color switcher. So I can change the colors with the color switcher. It says 10:04. It's really 9:04. I guess the time must set by itself, but we need to set the time for the daylight savings. But I'll just kind of go through here some of the stuff here. We can set a 12 and 24-hour format. Oh, it's not going to make any difference because we're in the AM right now. But we have the alarm settings here. We have the date and the day. And it's kind of cool. So you can set it to a single color, or you could have that multicolor like we had before. So look at all these different colors. How nice is that? This one's really cool. It's kind of funky. And then we have a timer there. Let's see, how do we do the timer? Oh, that's the timer, start and stop, enter, exit timer. So here's the timer, we can set it there. And we could just say we want to set it for like 2 hours, and then timer, start and stop. So now we are counting down. There's the timer, start and stop. So now at the end of the 2 hours, it will start beeping at us, and we will know that it's time to go. And then we have our volume, and we have our light, brightness, and darkness. Let me change this here. So let's see. And then we have, I don't know how to stop that. Oh, I guess it was on a thing. Just because I was changing the volume, it would give us a little setup. But we have our brightness. I don't know if you guys can see the brightness. That's pretty bright. Probably leave it about there for in here. And we have our temperature. Oh, well, I'm in a timer right now, so let me exit the timer. So right now our temperature is 64 degrees Fahrenheit, which we're in the USA, so that's what I would use, but you could do 18 Celsius. So got all the different settings and timers and things like that. You got everything you could ever want and a nice clock, so it looks really cool. So I'm gonna go set this thing up, hang it up on the wall, and we're good to go. So I would wanna set the settings. So here we can set English, we can set our time and the year and day. There's our time, so that's where I would want to go 9, because we're only at 9:06 right now. So there, that's just figured I'd show you guys that. And then we have different sounds. If you can hear those, I don't know. Oh, I'm still in setting mode here, aren't I? I think I pushed the button again, but you get the idea. And then volumes. So pretty cool. And you can even turn it on and off with the remote. So pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up from me.